Senator Bill Nelson is accusing the Florida Department of Motor Vehicles of cashing in by selling the personal information of many state drivers. Nelson is calling on the Justice Department to investigate, but state officials deny doing anything wrong. Channel 4's Destiny McKeever spoke with a local attorney about what's legal and what's not. She's joining us live. Destiny?
And I did speak with that local attorney today, and this is how he broke it down for me. He says, when you go into the DMV to get your driver's license, in some cases you're sharing a lot of your personal information. He says in some cases that is used legally, and in other cases it could be used illegally. Mixed reaction today from people at a local DMV after Senator Bill Nelson said the state is selling personal driving record information to private companies.
I'm sorry that somebody wants to make a quick buck like that, but not with my life.
Nelson wrote a letter to Attorney General Loretta Lynch. The move comes after reports that the Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles sold the personal information of more than 15 million licensed Florida drivers, gaining the state $150 million. I sat down with local attorney Randy Reep, who says the sale of driving records can be legal depending on who the info is sold to.
Yes, they can sell information if you fall into a certain category of people. There's a number of examples, but if you're an auto manufacturer that's trying to do a recall, one of the best ways to do that is get driver's registrations on those cars.
Reep says if the state is selling drivers' information to marketing companies, that's illegal and people could sue the state for damage.
My family has a motto: do not give opportunity the chance. And at this point, the state of Florida is giving the opportunity the chance to have us, the residents, and the citizens of this state, to be possibly hurt, injured, or in either case, still vulnerable.
I remember a couple of years ago, I got a ticket, and then 2 weeks later, I got all these mail letters in the mail saying, hey, do you want to take this class? You want to do this? And I'm trying to figure out how they knew I even had a ticket.
And the Department of Highway Safety released this statement to us today. You should be looking at it on your screens there. It says the DHSMV does not sell motor vehicle or driver information. Driver or motor vehicle information is produced as required by Federal Driver Privacy Protection Act and Florida's Public Records Law. Reporting live tonight, I'm Destiny McKeever, Channel 4, the local station.